Welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. If you have been wondering how you can change the size of a picture in Microsoft Word to a specific dimension, this video is for you. Stick around till the end. In this example, I want to set the width to 4.5 cm without distorting the image quality. So how do we do that? Click on the image, then go to picture format. Here on the right side we have two options. You can write the width here by manually, or you can click on this icon to get this wizard. So here we can change the width of the picture. Set this to 4.5 cm. Here you can see it says lock aspect ratio. I'm not affecting the height automatically after making change to this one, because this is selected. The application is going to adjust the height. Now let's see what happens after that. Now if we go back again, click on this one, you can see that this has been automatically updated. Now what happens if I have not said lock aspect ratio and take this one, and then I change this, for example, to 6 cm. Now let's make it a bit bigger so that we can see what happens in the quality. Now you can see the image width has been extended. However, there is some loss of quality because the aspect ratio is not maintained. That means aspect ratio is the ratio of the width to height. So if you try to extend one dimension without considering the other one, it's going to distort the image. So that's what has happened. And if you want to make changes from this side, you can also make it here. For example, 15 cm. Now you can see I changed only the width, but the aspect ratio is set to lock, so the height also has been adjusted. This made the image to extend or to expand in width as well as in height. If you found this video tutorial helpful, for more, click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.